Welcome to Exchange Rates UK TV. It is the 1st of July 2021. Taking a look at Stellar. So real quick, look at the volume profile on the right and notice that we've been trading below this high volume node for several days now, actually ever since the 21st of June. So a little over a week we've been trading down here. And that's in between the 50% Fibonacci retracement and the 618 Fibonacci retracement. But ultimately, really below and in this entire zone, it should be a lot easier to move south because just below us is the 17 to 20 cent range where we have another high volume node and the 768 retracement over here. So that's another level to take a look at. Ultimately, I think that's where we're going to end up going. The cloud here remains bearish, although there could be some signs of bullish activity, because I look at Senko Span A and it is, let me actually hide all the drawings here and the volume profile. So Senko Span A is pointing up. The Tenkan-sen is pointing up. We're still above the Tenkan-sen. And here's where the Chikou Span is at. Now, in order to convert to a bull, I need to see the lagging span trading above the candlesticks. Like, it needs to close above the body. So for today, that would mean it needs to gain 30%. And, actually no more than that. So tomorrow it would have to close back at the 382. It would need to have a 41.28% gain to move back up to 38 and close there, and then stay above that. Now, as we go on and as we move forward in time, the level that the lagging span needs to get to stay above the candlesticks decreases quite a bit. We look forward, let's see how many days. If we get to 12 days in the future, so that would be the 13th of July, we're saying that it needs to be trading at 32 cents. Price does, and the lagging span will be there as well. If that's the case, then what happens is, at the present value, the price action on the daily, that will put Stellar above the Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen. It'll put it back into Senko Span A. It'll be in the cloud, but this is where I might break one of my rules about trading in the cloud. That's because when cryptocurrencies begin their next expansion phase, it's fast, and it could be positioned to do that here very, very quickly over the next couple of weeks. So pay attention to that. But definitely be careful of this weekend, because 4th of July and U.S. holidays are, especially on weekends, it's like I wrote in my article, that's like a double witching event. You have reduced volume on the weekends anyways, and then you have really reduced volume on Sunday because that's the 4th. And those are perfect times for market makers to come in and push the market and bully it around and cause a huge flush, which, as a perma bull, I am thrilled with. I hope that happens because I would love to pick up a whole lot of everything out on the cheap. But just keep track of that, watch out, and be aware that those are things that can happen. And that does it for me. From Bullish at Exchange Rates UK TV, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.